In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Kartra. Start by opening your browser and searching for Kartra. From the results, click the official Kartra website so you're working within the correct platform. Once you're there, log in with your account to access the dashboard. On the left sidebar, select My Pages, then click the Plus Page button to begin building. This opens the template library, where you can browse hundreds of professionally designed layouts. They're organized by goal, such as squeeze pages for lead capture, sales pages for offers, or webinar registrations. Pick a template that matches your objective. You can always customize it heavily, so focus on structure and flow that fit your message. Next, enter the basic details. Give your page a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later. Assign it to a category for organization, and select a site to group it with related pages. This makes reporting and management simpler as your funnel grows. You'll land in the editor, where you can add basic elements and full content sections. Click a section to insert it, and it will appear on your canvas. To tailor anything you've added, click directly on that part of the page to edit text, images, styles, and spacing. The on-screen options and side panels let you change fonts, colors, alignment, and backgrounds, so keep your branding consistent. When you need more building blocks, open the Components area and drag in what you need, like images, buttons, columns, countdowns, or testimonials. For lead capture, create your form first in My Forms. Then, back in the editor, drag the opt-in form component onto your page and select your pre-configured form from the drop-down. If you're selling a product, add the checkout component and link it to a product you've already set up in My Sales. This ties your page to your existing offer and checkout flow. If you're stuck on copy, try the built-in Kartra AI to generate headlines or body text from your prompts. Use it as a starting point, then refine the output to match your tone and value proposition. Before wrapping up, use the device icons at the top of the editor to see how your page looks on tablet and mobile. Tweak padding, font sizes, and button placement so everything is easy to read and tap. Finally, open the Settings menu in the sidebar to add your page title, meta description, and any tracking codes, such as a pixel. When you're happy, click the Actions menu to preview, save your progress, save as a template for reuse, publish live, or return to the dashboard. Save often, preview thoroughly, and then publish when it's ready to share.